These are the notes for 3.12. There's nothing to write down, you just need to watch. I like this lesson because it's going to help you really understand what a radian is. The first one says rotate the yellow dot to a location of 3 pi over 2 radians. We've learned that pi is a semicircle, so this is 1.5 semicircles. So that would put us down here at 270 degrees. And it says find tangent of 3 pi over 2. So remember that tangent is y divided by x. So if I were to take -1 divided by 0, it's going to say that's undefined. And also remember that when we're a vertical line, we're trying to find slope, that's undefined. Oh, there's a button right there. So helpful. Okay, so those should be pretty simple. The next section is what's really going to help. It says rotate the yellow dot to a location of 4 radians. And so we think, what the heck is a radian? Well, a radian is going to be dragging this yellow dot along the circumference or outer edge of the circle. And see how this green line moves in? So this green line first was just the radius of the circle. As it moves in, the part that you don't see green anymore has moved to the outside of the circle. So when I drag this until the green stops on this dot, that means that this length of the radius is now this length on the outside edge of the circle. That's the definition of 1 radian. So it's like if I had a string and I put it from center to the outside, and then I moved it and I put it from this center and stretched it along the outside to here, they would be the exact same length. So that is 1 radian. Well, I need to go 4 radians, so then I keep going. That was 1, and see now that's 2, that's 3 radians, that's 4. So you just keep watching the green. Now it asks me for cosine of that. Well, cosine is always the x value, so it'd be that decimal, but be careful, it says round to the nearest hundredth. So that would be -0.65. Doesn't need to round up. And it makes sense that it's negative because we know cosine in quadrant 3 is negative. Okay, one more. Rotate the yellow dot to a location of 3 radians. Then we're going to find cosecant of 3. So there is 1 radian, 2 radian, 3 radian. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So what I would think is, okay, sine is y, this 0.1411, but I need to have 1 divided by that. So I would do 1 divided by 0.1411. That would give me the reciprocal, and it would be 7.09 because the next digit's a 7. And that would be it.